Hey, the brand HA sent me this massage gun. I've tested a lot of massage guns. This one's really powerful and I'm loving all the different heads you get on this. 6 different heads that you can put in this massage gun. You've got like this soft air tip. You've got like a little bullet tip. You got your wishbone. This one here, I'm gonna go over, this is a heating and cooling tip. And you've got your standard like kind of medium foam ball tip. All right, let's start with the air tip. To put these on, all you're gonna do is just thread them on. You're just gonna go ahead and long press. This is 5 speeds. On my shoulder, it's very sore. Oh yeah. This air tip, oh, that's really nice. Percussive massagers are great for myofascial release, for deep tissue. So I'm gonna warm this area up. So I'm just kind of improving circulation. I'm getting that area nice and warm. So I could hit this for like pre-workout and then go ahead and just do my regular stretching. This is just gonna warm everything up. Let's go ahead and get a little bit more targeted. So I'm gonna thread on like this tip here. And this is gonna be great for getting down deep even further. I'm gonna be a little bit more careful here. You gotta gingerly press, but that is targeting right on the head of that knot that I have in there. The handle on this thing is nice. It's like a soft, matte, kind of rubber feel. I feel like I got good grip. This is probably the most exciting part of this massage gun, and that is this heating and cooling head. This is gonna be charged up separately with a USB-C. So you're gonna have like a medium and high. We're gonna put that on the high, and I'm gonna tell you, I just turned that on and right away, this is heating up. So then go ahead and turn the massage gun on. I'm combining percussive massage with heat, and I can definitely feel it. I have the cooling feature on. Initially, I thought that it was just a fan. This is actually very cold to the touch. I have no clue how they're actually making that happen, but it feels like I'm touching an ice cube. Are you serious right now? That is really surprising to me that they were able to do that. So if you have an area has some inflammation and you just want to do a little massage, and you want it to also cool it down at the same time, no way. This is cool. I've never seen this on a massage gun before. Really hard to do this justice in a video. You really got to get this and experience it for yourself. But I'm telling you, this is like nothing I've ever seen before as far as the technology in this head. Definitely give this one a try. I think you're really going to like it. I love it. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.